I am Swati Prajapati from TY BCom B Division. Here I presented my SIP report in front of you. Here I considered some points which I explained in my PPT. The points are introduction, services, income tax, audit, GST invoice, e-way bill, competitors, customer, and last one is learning outcome. It is introduction about GST and income tax. We all know about the full form of GST and income tax. GST is first time imposed by President of India, namely Pranab Mukherjee, and PM Narendra Modi on 1st July 2017. Before the implementation of GST, taxation law between the center and state were clearly demarcated. Furthermore, services. My SIP company provides many services to the customer. The services are GST, income tax return, audit, advisor, monthly account, and personal income tax. This is photograph of my SIP company. Income tax. Income tax is the most common type of tax paid by the eligible citizen of India to government. It is part of the income that a taxpayer pays to the government. There are mainly two types of tax. First, direct tax and another indirect tax. The income tax slab look like the income of person up to 2.5 lakh, then person is not eligible to pay tax. If income of person is more than 2.5 lakh, then person is eligible for paying tax. The tax rate are according to person income. Audit. Audit is a process of verify or examine the final books of account. It is an examination of account to ascertain whether the financial statement give true and fair view of financial position and profit and loss of the business. Audit accounts are useful for the government while granting subsidies or etc. GST invoice. In simple language, invoice means bills. A company, firm or manufacturer company who registered under GST must make bill with GST. If you are GST registered business, you need to provide GST complaint invoice to a client for sale of goods and services. A tax invoice is issued to charge the tax and pass on the input tax credit. E-way bill. E-way bill is an electronic way bill for movement of goods which can be generated on the e-way bill portal. E-way bill will be generated when there is a movement of goods in vehicle of value more than 50,000. Customer. There are many customers in the Bhavsar & Company who come for maintain their monthly account. The customers are Srinath Enterprise, Sri Balaji Traders, Pratham Animal Care, Hotel Silver Pearl, and last is Dulhan Jewellers. The firm MS Fintech, BMBA and Associate, Dev Associate, Bridges A. Patel and Company. These all are competitors of Bhavsar & Company who do same work like my internship firm. Learning outcome. During my internship, I gained so many knowledge of income tax and GST. I also learned bank related entry. I learned Tally software and some basic function key about Tally. Thank you.